Lord Krishna Naman, my all dear student. Lord Krishna Naman, how are you, dear student? Dear student, today this is our revision classes of nutrition in animal, and we discuss about what is ruminants, what is the different digestion in humans or ruminants, how does the cow digestive system work. Dear student, first you can see the structure of cow. You can see in front of the internal organs of cow. Ruminant system of digestion. One stomach with 4 chamber. Digestive tract is composed of oral cavity, esophagus, stomach. Stomach also divided in 4 other parts: reticulum, rumen, omasum, abamosum. Intestine also 2 types: small intestine and large intestine. First we discuss about ruminants. Dear student, ruminants are hoofed plant eating animal that digest their food in 2 steps. Example: cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, and rabbit. They have complicated stomach, consist of 4 chamber: oral cavity, esophagus, stomach, intestine. Food that is swallowed goes into the first chamber called rumen. Here it is partially digested, and partially digested food is called cud. Cud, partially digested food is called cud. It then goes to the second chamber, from where it is returned to the mouth for through chewing. I think you see some animals chewing his food, just like cow, buffalo. When they are not eaten food, then the mm, some change of you can see chewings of animals just like cow, buffalo. If you have not seen, then you can see in nearby area cow or buffalo. Okay. It then goes to the second chamber, from where it returned or returned food the mouth through chewing. This process is called rumination. This process, the process of chewing food by the cow or goat or buffaloes, that is why these animals are called ruminant. After chewing, the food is swallowed for second time. then digested further in a remaining chamber. It is finally sent to small intestine where the absorb of nutrients occur. Dear student, you know all four track: oral cavity. Please learn oral cavity, esophagus, stomach or intestine. Role of saliva. Mastications of feed with saliva. 40 to 150 liter of saliva per day depending on feed she receive. We are talking about buffalo and cow. 40 to 150 liter of saliva per day depending on feed she receive. Action of saliva. Buffering. Buffer. You know a buffer? pH of saliva is 8.2 and a high level of sodium bicarbonate. Suppressing from reduce the risk of bloat. Reticulorumen. Reticulorumen containing more than 50% digestive tract capacity. Storage, soaking, physical mixing and breakdown. Feed, microbial fermentation. This is the area where feed all microorganisms. Synthesize vitamins, synthesize amino acids. You know, vitamin is also proteinous. Synthesize amino acid, carbohydrate and fibrous feed converted to VFAS. That means acetic acid, butyric acid, propionic acid. The pH of reticulorumens is 5.5 to 7 and the temperature of reticulorumens is 37 to 40 degree. Composed of smooth muscles with undergo regular rhythmic contraction. Rumen and honeycomb-like structure of reticulum. Reticulums, the structure is same to rumens or honeycomb. Microbial flora. This is very interesting, student. Without microorganism, you cannot digest food in your body also. Unique microbial flora to digest tough cellulose. Dear students, cellulose is carbohydrate polysaccharides. Hemicellulose, lignin, starch, sugar, organic acid, protein and fat. You cannot digest all the starch, sugar, organic acid, proteins with the help of microorganism. Billion of bacteria, protozoans, fungi attack and break down food inside the body of animal. Carbon dioxide and methane produced as a result of fermentation. When food digests, then carbon dioxide and methane released by the food. Bloat caused by ruminantal non-bleach death or cattle due to suffocations caused by the distended rumen. Cattle get many types of sickness. Classifications of microbes. Here we classify many types of bacteria. First, fiber. Digestion or cellulitic bacteria. Ruminococcus, flavifaciens, Ruminococcus alvus, Bacteroides, Succinogenes, Butyrive, Vibrio, Fibrio solvens. All bacteria are digest of fiber, that means cellulose of food of cattle. Second, starch and sugar digestion or amylolytic bacteria. Bacteroides luminocola, Bacteroides amylophilus, Selenomonas ruminantians, Streptococcus bovis, Succinomonas amylolytica. All bacteria digest starch and sugar. Dear student, you can remember all bacteria. This is very important for us. Streptococcus bovis, the rumen wheat, lactate using bacteria, hydrogen using or methane bacteria, protozoans, rumen fungi. Bacteria, protozoans or fungi are also important in digestions of food in cattle. Omasum and avomosum. Omasum. This is the third compartment of digestion called manipulage. No enzymes is involved in the activity in omasum. Larger number of leaves for absorption, surface 4 to 5 square meter. Absorb 30 to 60% of water, absorbs certain nutrients such as potassium and sodium, absorb mineral and nitrogen, reduce particle size, prevent the passage of large particle through the digestive system. This is all point of amasum. And avomosum called true stomach in cattle. Avomosum is true stomach, digest protein from both feed and ruminal microbes. Gastric juice produced just like hydrochloric acid, mucin, pepsinogen, rennin, and lipase. The pH of avomosum is highly acidic, 2 or 3. Intestine.